Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Mr.Zoologist. This is Hifza Arif from Department of Zoology at the University of Chakwal, Pakistan. Today I am going to discuss the topic on Mahseer fish. While Mahseer encompasses many genera and species, but I am focusing on a very special one, the Golden Mahseer tor putitora. These are the contents that I will discuss throughout this lecture. Now let's introduce the Mahseer. Mahseer, derived from two Persian words mahi meaning fish and sher meaning tiger, is often called tiger among fishes. It is one of the toughest freshwater sport fish. It is known for their impressive size, strength and distinctive scales. It belongs to the carp family Cyprinidae, that is the largest fish family. It is national fish of Pakistan, also known as Himalayan Mahseer or Golden Mahseer. Taxonomy of the Golden Mahseer: domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Cypriniformes, family Cyprinidae, genus Tor and species Tor putitora. Distribution of Golden Mahseer: it has been reported from across the Himalayan region and elsewhere in South Asia and Southeast Asia, ranging from Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Western Iran to Eastern Thailand. General characteristics of Golden Mahseer. First, I will discuss about the morphology of the Golden Mahseer. It has thick cyclide scales and lateral line scales ranging from 24 to 28. These numbers can vary among species. It has large, powerful jaws, thick lips with relatively long barbels. Barbels are sensory organs near the mouth that helps to locate the food, and a protrusible mouth. Body is elongated and fusiform. Body color golden on dorsal side and fins are reddish yellow. It grows at a rate of about 10 cm per year. It can attain maximum size of about 90 kg with 2 meters height. Male can be identified by long pectoral fins with the length of 2.7 meter and weigh well over 100 lbs or 100 pounds. Female can be distinguished by relatively shorter pectoral fins compared to males. It has more streamlined body shape and tend to be smaller in size with length 1.5 meters and weigh up to 50 lbs or 50 pounds. Fins of Golden Mahseer. Golden Mahseer has red fins that are soft. Fin formula of Golden Mahseer: dorsal fin has 11 to 12 rays and it enhances stability and agility. Anal fin has 8 to 9 rays and it maintains balance and provides guidance. Pectoral fins has 15 to 16 rays and it aids in steering and control. Pelvic or ventral fins has 8 to 9 rays and it provides stability and assists in directing movement. Caudal fin has 17 to 19 rays and it propels the fish forward and ensure mobility. Now in this figure, you can clearly see the morphology of the Golden Mahseer: protrusible mouth along with barbels, thick cyclide scales along with fins. Habitat of Golden Mahseer: it is found in rivers and lakes. It lives in clean, fast-flowing water with lots of oxygen, often in streams that have rocks and stones. It can tolerate temperatures ranging from cool to warm, typically between 13 to 30 degrees Celsius. Feeding habit of Golden Mahseer: most of Mahseer species have omnivorous habits. During migration, fish of all ages remain carnivorous and omnivorous. Fishes with size less than 46 cm long become piscivorous. Migratory behavior of Golden Mahseer: their migratory behavior is influenced by both climatic conditions and their body conditions. During heavy monsoon rains, they migrate upstream to find the ideal spawning grounds. Once they reach maturity, they tend to stay in lowland rivers and lakes or deeper pools. They can cover 60 to 70 km in 24 hours. Parental behavior and breeding habits: it exhibits limited parental behaviors, primarily focusing on selecting suitable spawning sites and potentially providing some initial protection to their eggs. It exhibits unique breeding behaviors influenced by their body weight, laying more eggs than other carps. It prefers gravel or sandy stream beds for spawning. It migrates long distances to find suitable spawning grounds. Spawning typically occurs between April and September, although younger fish may spawn earlier. During breeding, a female Mahseer can produce between 6,000 to 10,000 eggs per kilogram of body weight. Importance of Golden Mahseer: it holds considerable economic importance due to their role in sport fishing, commercial fishing for food, and sales as ornamental aquarium fish. It is commercially important game fish as well as highly esteemed food fish. It is well known for their health benefits. It is rich in high quality proteins, essential for tissue repair, growth, and the synthesis of important substances like blood and hormones. Certain amino acids found in it, such as aspartic acid, glycine, and glutamic acid, play a key role in wound healing processes. Unique or interesting facts about golden mahseer. It is known as tiger among fishes. It resembles the tiger not only in name but also in spirit, as it is renowned for its fierce resistance when caught. It is huge cyprinid, regarded as the hardest freshwater sport fish. It is sensitive to water temperature, thriving in colder waters with a limited tolerance of warm water. It serves as a vital indicator of the health of freshwater ecosystem, as its presence or absence can signal significant changes in environmental condition. It aids in the dispersal of seeds of aquatic plants, hence promoting plant diversity. Mahseer as Pakistan's national fish. Pakistan boasts some of the world's best freshwater fishing experiences, particularly for mahseer. Golden Mahseer putitora was declared the national fish of Pakistan in 2019, aims to raise awareness about the need to preserve aquatic biodiversity in the country. It is also known as the king of Swat, found in freshwater bodies across every province of Pakistan. It is renowned for its commercial value as a game and food fish. Despite its beauty and significance, however, many Pakistanis are unaware of the mahseer's existence, with anglers preferring rohu and other carp such as sirhinus, gala, and ketla ketla for their taste and availability. Recent studies have indicated decline in mahseer's population across the country. Recognizing this decline, regular authorities have taken notice, with organizations like the Himalayan Wildlife Foundation, Fisheries Development Board, WWF Pakistan, and the Ministry of Environment's Pakistan Wetlands Program working together to conserve the mahseer. Conservation status of golden mahseer. The IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, recently has been labeled endangered status for the golden mahseer. Reason for decline of mahseer populations. These are habitat loss due to dam construction and deforestation, pollution, either it is industrial or agricultural pollution, unsustainable or illegal fishing practices, overfishing, introduction of invasive species, climate change, lack of effective conservation measures. Conservation measures needed to conserve the mahseer. These are habitat restoration, pollution control, sustainable fishing practices, research and monitoring, and community engagement. Recent research findings regarding golden mahseer. New studies have highlighted the challenges facing golden mahseer populations, such as overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution. In response, researchers are exploring innovative breeding strategies to boost population number. Additionally, there is a growing focus on disease control within mahseer communities. Conservation efforts, including habitat restoration and fishing regulations, are essential for their protection. Continuous research and monitoring are crucial for understanding population trends and implementing effective conservation measures. Hope you all understand the lecture. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and do like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.